morning, Falcons. We had almost 40 students audition for the Early Bird crew, and so many auditions were really, really good. Unfortunately, there's only spots for 25 people. It was really, really hard to narrow it down, and all who auditioned should be incredibly proud of themselves. Forms will be passed out to those who made it. Please have your grown-ups sign and return those as soon as possible. Team A will start this Friday morning at 7:20 in the library. Please congratulate the following Early Bird crew members: Chloe Munns, Emma Trask, Nolan Sladen, Jocelyn Avila, Austin Heiser, George Kessel, Morgan McCombs, Hunter McAlpine, Adam Rainey, Elias Afram, Taraji Young, Brinley Castleberry, Leanne Johnson, Donovan Carr, Noelle Walton, Davis Wally, Chasen Hunt, Lila Barger, Casey Williams, Penelope Rosenkamp, Mason Galuccio, Joshua Allure, Nora Aboro, Ines Pittman, and Evan Young. Congratulations, guys. Look forward to seeing you guys on the Early Bird Show.